Hello everyone, good evening. How are you today? Okay, I hope you are all in a good health. Okay, before I start, have you guys know me already? There's a saying that if you don't know a person, then how can you love that person? Therefore, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dinda Nurostari, so you can call me Dinda. I was born on 8th of July 2004 in Jakarta. And right now, I'm working as a teacher. So, in this opportunity, I also deliver my speech by the title The Youth Responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, talking about youth means talking about ourselves, right? Yes, because most of all here, we are youth and young generation. When we talk about youngster, we often find in many articles, and we ourselves even witness the great roles of youth participation in developing, favoring, and supporting the development of nation. They are the hope of nation who will carry out the struggle for the sake of brighter future of the country. Similarly, they are at the same time the hope of Islamic religion who will strive for the sake of Islamic teaching in the next, maintain the Islamic laws, who will protect the Muslim young generation at large from influence of the destructive Western style of life. Who will leaders? Who will be leader for the next? It was told us. Today is young, tomorrow will be a leader. Ladies and gentlemen, this statement encourages us to pay attention to the young existences in the future. By knowing all the fact we realize, how important the young have for the future. They also subtly symbolize the future that never become weak quickly. For this reason, the former president of Indonesia, Sukarno, has once said, "I appreciate the young people more than the old." Why? Why the young people more than the old? Because they play significant roles and have great energy that can be prided. Dear Muslim brother and sister, therefore our religion enjoins us to be flexible Muslim leaders for the society who ultimately have to devote themselves for the development of Muslim community. Ironically, in this subjugated era, we witness the conscience of young people are always against the Islamic laws. We pay attention to many young people who are aware for the education, and will be more sad if we see our Muslim brothers in our country behave badly and intentionally avoiding Islamic teaching to follow Western culture. We cannot imagine and describe what is going to happen in the next if all the young people are careful in the responsibility. Dear my beloved audience, we have to be aware that the responsibility of nation developing and religion establishing depends on us. By the consideration, we should be very cautious with any destructive Western culture that will enter Islamic teaching. We should be afraid if we become a weak generation, whether in piety, knowledge, and the spirit of life. The most dangerous one is the weakness of faith and morale. Why? Because they will passion our life. Thus such dangers happen. We will not become a pointer we will not become a pioneer of development, but otherwise, we we will become a destructive virus of nation development. Therefore, to create the country of Indonesia that is safe, peace, perseverance, and religious, we have to carry out the three important things in order we become an excellent young generation. The first is discipline, the second is honesty, and the third is perseverance. The first is discipline. An excellent young generation has to keep high disciplines. They are diligent. They are diligent to work and to help others. All they all they are for teaching the bright and beautiful future. And the second is honesty. Honesty is one of the characteristics of excellent men must be able to cooperate anyone because a good cooperation will realize a strong personality, right? Okay. And the last is perseverance. The excellent young is not easy give up, and he always perseveres toward using his skill and profession. He will keep trying diligently and finally lead him to the high dedication and the better and high quality. Ladies and gentlemen, through this occasion, I would like to suggest I would like to suggest the young generation who will be a leader of nation. From this moment, let's roll up ourselves. Let's roll up ourselves. Step forward our foot towards the bright future. Develop five potential to improve the human resource. Sensitize sound the saints in order to fight strong. Consecrate the mind to increase your knowledge. Do the exercise. Do the exercise to make your body health. Manage your business. Manage your business to increase the economy. And making mises to multiply the productivity. My brother and sister, last but not least, I would like to call you to prepare our generation in order to be able to replace the old in the future. And I hope you are Muslim, brothers and sisters, wherever they are abstaining from the bad action and future more. We have to develop our skill and potency to reach the bright future. I think it's time for me to finish my speech. I beg your pardon if you get some mistake from me. And last, I say to you goodbye. See you later.